Hola amigos, welcome to my channel Tica Living. For today I have a cooking recipe that I want to share with you about how I make my own charro beans. I will show you how I do my own version. I won't show you the traditional version. I know how to do it too, but this time I want to show you a healthy version that I do for my husband and for my son and for me. I hope you like the recipe. It's super easy and it's super quick too. The night before, I wash my beans very good and I leave it in water all night just to get rid of some gas and also to make it more soft for the next morning. For this recipe, I always put 2 cups of beans because my slow cooker is small, but if you have a big one, you can put more than 1 cup. I wash my beans very good until the water is super clear like this, and I put it next morning to cook. The next day, I put half an onion and 1 clove of garlic to cook with my beans, and I add some salt. For me, for the 2 cups of beans, I put 2 teaspoons of salt, but you can add more if you want to. And I put it for high temperature in my slow cooker, that is between 6 hours to 5 hours. After 6 hours, my pinto beans are done and I can start making my own charro beans. Let me show you how I prepare it. In another pan, I put my 4 bacon strips to cook for about maybe medium height. I have it in 6 and I cook it for a couple of minutes. I don't let it cook too much because I don't want it to get too brown. I just want it a little bit soft because I gotta cook the other ingredients. The next ingredient I'm going to put is the 2 chicken sausages. I put 2 kinds. I put one is spicy and the other one not, because I love the spiciness of the sausage. Give a lot of flavor to the beans. After a few minutes, I'm gonna add the 1/3 chorizo. I put not much chorizo, but you can put more if you want to. For me, this is the right portion. And I'm gonna cook it for about 4 minutes until the chorizo cooks really good. I mix everything really good until the chorizo cook really well, and I will show you how everything is supposed to look. After the 4 minutes, I'm gonna add 1/4 of chopped onion to my meat and let it cook for a couple more minutes. Next, I'm going to add the 2 chopped of garlic to my meat and let it cook for a couple more minutes. At this time, this smells really good. I wish you could smell it too. The entire recipe is here in the description box down below if you want to take a note. After the couple minutes, I'm going to add 1 small tomato to my mix and let it cook for another couple more minutes. After my tomato is cooked and it looks like this, I'm going to add the 4 cups of pinto beans that I cooked before. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of water or bean soup, and I'm gonna cover my beans and let it boil for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's ready. After 25 minutes, my charro beans are done. I forgot to mention that this recipe need a jalapeno. I add half a jalapeno, but if you don't like too spicy, it's optional. You can take it out of the recipe, but it tastes really good. My charro beans are done. Now I'm gonna serve these charro beans with some white rice. Here's my final presentation of my charro beans. I hope you like this recipe. It's super good and delicious. You can serve with tortilla or with white rice. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below if you ever tried these charro beans and if you like it. Thank you. Ciao.